Can Sony Smart TV download apps? Sony Smart TVs can download apps, but the availability of apps depends on the TV's operating system. Sony Bravia TVs running Android TV or Google TV have access to the Google Play Store, allowing users to install various streaming, gaming, and utility apps. However, non-Android Sony Smart TVs have limited app download options and rely on pre-installed apps. 1. Checking app download compatibility on Sony Smart TV. To determine if your Sony Smart TV supports app downloads, check the operating system. Android TV, Google TV models, 2015 and newer, can download apps from the Google Play Store. Non-Android Sony Smart TVs typically have a limited set of pre-installed apps with no option to add new ones. To verify, press the Home button on your remote and look for the Google Play Store under Apps. If the store is available, your TV supports app downloads. If not, you may need an external streaming device to access additional apps. 2. How to download apps on Sony Smart TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Sony Smart TV remote. Step 2. Navigate to the Google Play Store only on Android TV, Google TV models. Step 3. Use the search bar to find the desired app. Step 4. Select the app and click Install. Step 5. Wait for the installation to complete, then open the app from the Apps section. Third, troubleshooting app download issues. If your Sony Smart TV cannot download apps, try these solutions. Check internet connectivity by running a network test under Settings, then Network and Internet. Ensure the TV's software is up to date by going to Settings, then System, then Software Update. Clear Google Play Store cache by navigating to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store, then Clear Cache. Restart the TV by unplugging it for a few minutes and turning it back on. 4. Alternative ways to get apps on Sony Smart TV. If your Sony Smart TV does not support app downloads, you can still access more apps using external streaming devices like Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast. Screen mirroring from a smartphone or tablet to display app content on the TV. Gaming consoles or Blu-ray players that support streaming apps. Sony Smart TVs with Android TV or Google TV can download apps from the Google Play Store, expanding entertainment options. If your TV does not support app downloads, using external devices or screen mirroring can provide access to additional apps. Checking compatibility and troubleshooting common issues ensures a smooth app installation experience.